Summer heat and apartment living create a specific problem. You have limited refrigeration space and no basement. Your food spoils faster than you can eat it. You cannot grow enough to preserve because you lack outdoor space. You become dependent on frequent shopping trips, constant electricity for refrigeration, and the vulnerability that comes with having no backup storage. If the power fails, your food is gone. If you cannot afford to shop frequently, you go without. This is not food security. This is food fragility. Before modern refrigeration, apartments and urban homes stored food using one simple principle. Cool air moves down and basements stay naturally cold. But apartments have no basements, so people built small underground or semi-underground storage chambers, root cellars, in cellars, crawl spaces, or even built them as standalone structures. These spaces maintain temperatures between 40 and 55 degrees Fahrenheit year-round, preserving food for months without electricity. This was not luxury. This was survival in cities where space was limited and refrigeration did not exist. An apartment root cellar is a small, insulated storage space that maintains cool temperatures without electricity. It works by using the natural temperature of the earth or the coolest part of your building, combined with insulation and ventilation to prevent heat and humidity from spoiling food. Properly designed, an apartment root cellar can store food at 45 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 to 9 months, extending the shelf life of vegetables, fruits, and preserved goods by 3 to 6 times compared to room temperature storage. It turns limited apartment space into reliable food security. The real benefits are straightforward. You reduce dependence on refrigeration because cool storage works passively without electricity. You reduce food waste because food lasts months instead of weeks. You reduce shopping frequency because you can store bulk purchases safely. You gain food security because you have backup storage independent of power or supply chains. And you eliminate vulnerability to rising electricity costs because the system costs nothing to operate. These are not theoretical advantages. They are practical results that change how you approach food storage and household security. In this guide, you'll learn how to build and operate an apartment root cellar, a system that allows you to store food using basic materials, simple construction, and principles that have worked reliably for centuries. You will understand the principle that makes it work, recognize when this system is actually the right choice for your situation, and learn the decisions that separate reliable storage from wasted effort. The core principle is straightforward: temperature and humidity control. Food spoils because of heat and microbial growth. Cool temperatures slow microbial growth dramatically. Humidity control prevents mold and rot. An apartment root cellar maintains both by using insulation to prevent heat transfer from the surrounding environment and ventilation to manage humidity. The ideal temperature range is 45 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit. The ideal humidity range is 85 to 95%. At these conditions, most vegetables and fruits remain edible for months. Root cellars do not create cold. They only preserve the natural coolness of the earth or the coolest part of your building. However, this system only works reliably if you have access to naturally cool spaces. If your apartment is on an upper floor with no basement access, or if your climate is too warm year-round, an apartment root cellar will not maintain cool temperatures. If your apartment has poor insulation or is in direct sunlight, the storage space will heat up too much. An apartment root cellar is not a solution. It is a strategy. It works only in the right conditions. The physical setup is simple but purposeful. You create a small, insulated storage space in the coolest part of your apartment or building, typically a basement, crawl space, or a corner of a ground floor apartment. The space should be at least 2 feet by 2 feet by 3 feet tall to be practical. You insulate the walls and ceiling to prevent heat transfer from the surrounding environment. You create ventilation openings that allow cool air to enter and warm air to exit. You manage humidity by ensuring air circulation and by using materials that absorb excess moisture. The result is a small chamber that maintains cool, humid conditions year-round. A practical apartment root cellar is typically built in a basement, corner, or crawl space. The chamber should be approximately 3 feet wide, 3 feet deep, and 4 feet tall, giving you about 36 cubic feet of storage space. The walls can be built from dimensional lumber and insulated with fiberglass bats or foam board. The floor should be concrete or packed earth. The ceiling should be insulated to prevent heat from upper floors. Ventilation openings at the bottom and top allow air circulation. The entire structure costs between $200 and $500. Here is the simple build that actually works. This is a baseline system that you can implement in a basement or crawl space. Identify the coolest corner of your basement or the coolest part of your ground floor apartment. Measure the space. You need at least 2 feet by 2 feet by 3 feet tall to be practical. Build a wooden frame from 2x4s.
Insulate the walls with fiberglass bats or foam board at least 3 inches thick. Insulate the ceiling with the same material. Leave the floor uninsulated to allow heat to dissipate into the earth. Create 2 ventilation openings, one near the bottom of one wall and one near the top of the opposite wall. These allow cool air to enter low and warm air to exit high. Seal all gaps with caulk or weather stripping to prevent air leaks. Install a thermometer and hygrometer inside to monitor temperature and humidity. The entire build takes approximately 16 to 20 hours, spread over 3 to 4 days. This is the minimum viable apartment root cellar. It will maintain temperatures between 45 and 55 degrees Fahrenheit if the surrounding basement or crawl space is cool enough. It will store vegetables and preserved goods for 6 to 9 months. The most common mistake is building the chamber too small or failing to insulate adequately. If you are uncertain about size, build larger. A chamber that is too small will not store enough food. A chamber that is not insulated will heat up too much.
The direction of ventilation is critical and depends on your situation. If your basement has natural cool air from the earth, position the intake opening at the bottom to capture this cool air. If you have access to outside air that is cooler than your basement, you can run ventilation ducts from outside directly into the chamber. The goal is to use the coolest available air at each time of year. Test whether the root cellar is maintaining cool temperatures by measuring the temperature and humidity inside over several days. In the first week, the temperature should stabilize between 45 and 55 degrees Fahrenheit. The humidity should stabilize between 85 and 95%. If the temperature is higher than 55 degrees, the insulation is inadequate or the ventilation is bringing in warm air. If the humidity is too low or too high, adjust the ventilation openings. Materials that work well for apartment root cellars are those that insulate and resist moisture: fiberglass bats, foam board, dimensional lumber, concrete, and packed earth. Materials that do not work well: drywall, which absorbs moisture and deteriorates, carpet, which traps moisture and mold, and plastic sheeting, which prevents air circulation. The material choice determines whether the system works or fails. If you use materials that absorb moisture, the chamber will become moldy. If you use materials that prevent air circulation, the humidity will become excessive. During storage, place food on shelves or racks that allow air to circulate around each item. Do not stack food directly on the floor or pile it against walls. Store vegetables in crates or baskets that allow air passage. Check the stored food once per week for signs of spoilage. Remove any items that show mold, rot, or deterioration immediately. Why most people try this and fail. The 3 mistakes that make apartment root cellars useless. First mistake, building the chamber in a warm location. Many people build a root cellar in a closet or interior room that is not naturally cool. The chamber cannot maintain cool temperatures if the surrounding space is warm. If your basement is warm or your apartment has no cool spaces, an apartment root cellar will not work. Second mistake, inadequate insulation. Many people use thin insulation, thinking it will be enough. Thin insulation allows heat to transfer through the walls and ceiling. If the insulation is less than 3 inches thick, the chamber will heat up too much. Third mistake, poor ventilation or no ventilation. Many people seal the chamber completely, thinking this will keep it cool. A sealed chamber will accumulate moisture and become moldy. The system only works if air can circulate. Many people build a root cellar correctly, but fail to ventilate it, and the food spoils from mold. The solution is to ensure that the chamber has at least 2 ventilation openings and that air can flow freely through the space. An apartment root cellar can store 50 to 100 pounds of vegetables and preserved goods at temperatures between 45 and 55 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 to 9 months. This is equivalent to extending the shelf life of food by 3 to 6 times compared to room temperature storage. The system requires no electricity, no replacement parts, and no maintenance beyond occasional cleaning and monitoring. This is a permanent feature that produces results indefinitely. Do not expect to store an entire year's worth of food in an apartment root cellar. If you want to preserve large quantities, you will need multiple chambers or you will need to use preservation methods such as canning or drying. Scale apartment root cellars deliberately. Do not scale them by accident. This system was standard in urban apartments and townhouses for centuries before refrigeration. Medieval and traditional apartments in cool climates had cellars or semi-basements that maintained cool temperatures year-round. In apartments built this way, food stored for 6 to 9 months without spoilage. This was not accidental. It was deliberate design based on centuries of observation.
The principle has not changed. The physics has not changed. The only thing that changed is that we stopped using it. Once implemented, the apartment root cellar works the same way in year 10 as it does in year 1.
There are no mechanical parts to wear out, no electrical components to fail. The real limitation is not the equipment. It is climate and access to naturally cool spaces. Build this system only if your apartment or building has access to a basement, crawl space, or other naturally cool location. If you are guessing, measure the temperature in the coolest part of your apartment or building over one full season before investing time and money in construction. At the end, when an apartment root cellar is working correctly, the space should feel cool and slightly humid, like stepping into a cave or a cool cellar. The air should feel fresh, not stagnant. The temperature should remain stable. The food should remain firm and fresh, not soft or moldy. That is the target. If the space feels warm or smells moldy, something is wrong. The insulation is inadequate, the ventilation is insufficient, or the location is not cool enough. If you do these 4 things, an apartment root cellar will work. First, verify that your apartment or building has access to a naturally cool location, a basement, crawl space, or ground floor corner that stays below 60 degrees Fahrenheit year-round. Second, build the chamber with at least 3 inches of insulation on all sides and the ceiling. Third, create ventilation openings that allow cool air to enter and warm air to exit. Fourth, store food on shelves or racks that allow air to circulate around each item, and check the food weekly for spoilage. These 4 conditions are not optional. If any one is missing, the system will not function reliably. This is a system worth implementing because it solves a genuine problem, maintaining food security in apartments without refrigeration or with limited refrigeration space, using modifications that are readily available and methods that are straightforward to execute. The knowledge required is minimal, the failure rate is low if you avoid the critical mistakes of poor location, inadequate insulation, and insufficient ventilation, and the result is reliable storage that functions indefinitely in suitable conditions. Be honest about your apartment's climate and access to cool spaces first. If your apartment is warm year-round or has no access to cool spaces, this system will not serve you well. The right tool for your situation is always better than the romantic tool. An apartment root cellar does not reward hope, it rewards understanding.